So hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we want to learn how to check or show your Wi-Fi password on your PC. Let's learn how to check for what's your Wi-Fi password on your PC. So this is the name of my Wi-Fi. I'll be clicking here. I'll be clicking on this property or information button I can find there. So it's going to take me straight to my settings. So you can see this is my Wi-Fi. Then the next thing to do is to check for the properties and look for Wi-Fi network password. So I'll be clicking here on show. Then you can see this is the password showing right here. I can decide to scan to connect if I don't want to use the password option. You can go ahead and copy this, and this is how to check for Wi-Fi password on your Windows 11. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.